Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Figma. This is a super useful feature when you're creating interactive prototypes or design presentations and want to add clickable links directly within your text elements. Let's walk through it step by step. First things first, open your Figma application. Once you've got Figma running, you'll need to open the specific project where you want to add a hyperlink. This could be any design file you're currently working on, whether it's a website mockup, a presentation deck, or any other design that could benefit from embedded links. Now that your project is open, take a moment to locate the text element you want to hyperlink. This might be a call to action button, a reference link, or any piece of text that you'd like to make clickable. The beauty of Figma is that you can hyperlink specific portions of text rather than entire text boxes, giving you precise control over what becomes clickable. Once you've found your text, double-click on it. This action puts you into edit mode for that text element. Now comes the important part. Highlight exactly the portion of text you want to turn into a hyperlink. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the specific words or phrase. This selection tells Figma exactly which part of your text should become the clickable link. With your text highlighted, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find various properties and options for your selected text. Look for the link icon. It's usually represented by a chain or link symbol. Click on this icon to activate the hyperlinking feature. A field will appear right where you can input your destination. Type in the URL or link you want this text to direct to. This could be a website address like www.example.com, an email address, or any other valid URL. Make sure you enter the complete link, including http:// or https:// if it's a web address. Once you've typed in your link, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm and apply the hyperlink. And that's it. Your text is now hyperlinked and ready to be clicked when you share your Figma file or present it to others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.